I didn't get up at 5 this morning because Matthew said I was being a bit inconsiderate getting up at 5 and being noisy. So I got up at 7. So I've just finished in the gym. It's 10:15. Did a strength of a day. And I'm gonna make some oatmeal, some apple and cinnamon oatmeal, and I'm gonna add some chocolate protein in there. See what that tastes like. Why not? I'm not getting up at 5 now. Probably gonna get up at 6. Because the reason I liked getting up at 5 and I said I was gonna get up at 5 because my issue isn't getting up early, it's actually getting out of bed. I just can't be bothered to get out of bed. But I liked getting up at 5, which is weird, because I could have some sort of caffeine, sit down, drink, wake up. By 6 o'clock I was doing cardio. I'm doing 45 minutes of cardio to begin with. And then by 7 o'clock I was in the gym, and by 8 o'clock I'm done. And then I can start my day. I can clean the house, which I'm probably going to do today, or kind of clean. I'm also going to kind of cook, do a little bit of meal prep, but I'm just making, like I said, come on, go down. Just making some oatmeal. So see what this tastes like. Cakey almost. Okay. Smells good, but it's a little moussey. We're gonna try it anyway. Doesn't look appetizing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and then I can like focus on editing all of the harvest stuff, and yeah, get back into the swing of editing. This is what my protein the oatmeal looks like. Kind of looks moussey. Well, that's delicious. So I'm gonna eat this. I've got Roomba going off. I'm gonna clean some rooms. I'm gonna watch a bit of YouTube probably. Or Scott and Bailey, don't know. And then we'll start cooking. Put the side table in the window, hoping that it would deter this one from barking. But this is just what he does. You just getting on the sofa and bark, don't ya? Making a mess of my windows. You're a silly boy. This doesn't work. So happy just being back. This is Christian and Matt is on sale for Reaper price for £13 working. So, we got garlic, roasted garlic and roasted pepper chicken, just some plain chicken, few 100 grams of spaghetti, and then in the slow cooker we have spaghetti bolognese. And then I've basically, room has gone round, I've wiped down some of the surfaces. Just need to go through Matthew's clothes on the dining room table, and then just need to clean out the office, and then we're done. So I'm gonna have some sausage casserole for dinner and watch some Scott and Bailey, and then get ready and go to work, and that's pretty much it. But obviously we are getting ready. We have a wedding on the 28th, so in like 24 days, which I am hopefully going to lose a few pounds by then. Need to wash my dresses, wash Matthew's, all of that has been washed, so I don't need to do anything like that. And then I will be trying to lose a little bit more weight for Vegas. There's potential chance of going to Vegas, which would be nice for the first time and going to Vegas, so that'd be fun.